Welcome to Overseas Motors BMW. When you come in for your service appointment, simply drive right into our service drive-through, and then we're going to go and see our service advisors. Come on this way. This is our service reception area. You can see either one of our service advisors, John or Nick, and they'll be happy to help you out at your appointment time. If you ever need any help with parts, you can simply come over to our parts department, right on over here. And this is our parts department. Brad or Ibrahim would be more than happy to help you out with any of your parts needs. If you need to purchase any accessories for your vehicle, or if you're interested in any of our lifestyles merchandise, they'll be happy to help you out as well. While you're waiting for your vehicle or dropping it off, feel free to browse our inventory of new cars. Welcome to our customer waiting area. We have a massage chair, satellite TV, newspapers, snacks. We also have a coffee station here as well. And in the refrigerator here, we have soft drinks and water for your enjoyment. Next, let's go on a tour of the shop. Right on through here is where all the heavy work is done. Welcome to our shop. This is where all the work is performed on your BMW by our fully licensed, trained BMW technicians. I'm Melanie, the service manager at Overseas Motors BMW Mini. If ever you have any problems, have any questions, I'm always here to help you out.